Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day, stock of the day, whatever you want to call it. And I could have picked a few of them. And really, if you don't have my option scanner, again, I'm not trading the options. This is just showing these stocks with unusual option activity. Again, this has been really producing for the last couple of weeks. And I'll just focus on this one right here, BTBT. Got the alert at 791. And it got halted 3 minutes later, so there was time to get into it. And 791, and look what it did. I mean, it got all the way up to 928 before it pulled back. But again, I could have picked, I mean, the INFI was a great one. A lot of people took the INFI. Let's take a look at INFI. Put this down here. Take a look at the INFI. Sorry. When I'm doing this video, sometimes I get a bit of a lag. But you know, here's the alert at 226, got all the way up to 260. I mean, these are great percentage moves. This one, I actually thought 13 might stall it. AUPH. Just trying to click on it. Come on. Yeah, when I'm doing the video, I get some computer lag, unfortunately. There we go. And you're going to see at 1272. There we go. Up to 1335. I mean, these are great percentage moves, guys. So again, that's one of the scans I'm sharing. Okay, so in the email you're getting, just click on my homepage link and go to the scan section, and it's called something like unusually strong options volume. But man, a lot of great action from my option scanner as usual. Okay, guys, I want to get back into the room, so I'm going to shut this down. And again, any questions for me, you can use this email address, and the room will open tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.